Mold is a type of fungi that we find everywhere, but unfortunately once it gets inside of our homes it creates health hazards. One of our biggest challenges with the mold remediation is getting into tight spots. We are required to physically remove the mold from the structure. Traditionally we use sanding, wire brush or other abrasive methods. You need multiple man-hours, it is very messy anytime you sand, or grind sectional concrete or things of that nature. Things are very dirty environment, which then cost us more time as far as cleanup. When you dry ice blast you are not creating any secondary waste. A product we are able to use so much better on the job than we ever could before. The best we could ever hope to do before is probably remove somewhere in the neighborhood of 85% of the mold. Now we are getting much closer to 99% to 100%. That we use dry ice blasting, we're literally able to go in there and win effective job of cleaning in a space that we have tried in the past. When scrubbing and grinding in an attic we have so many nails coming through the sheeting of the roof you just can't clean around all that, but with blasting we not only go in and handle the project and be effective, but at less cost of what it would have been if we could even complete it by traditional methods. Before I started using the cold jet system there were things I considered to be too difficult to her to handle. What with cold jet now I don't walk away from anything because the production, I'm enjoying 3, 4, 5, 6 times production rate depending on the unique characteristics of the structure. If we were in a typical attic space, over an average size home there may be 4 individuals an attic, and maybe up there anywhere 5 to 7, 8 days depend on the surface area mold to be cleaned. Now are able to complete the same project in only 3 days with only 2 individuals, only one of those in the attic, the other one generally at the machine feeding ice. The ability to locate the actually blasting machine outside of the crawl space and run 40, 60, 80 feet of hose in the crawl space and then have nozzles that are designed to go around corners and things, where you can work in very tight quarters. That's what it takes to get in and do those tough jobs. We have a square cavity, and around this kind of sander you can't get to corners. With dry ice blasting there is truly no area untouched. With cold jet equipment you don't have downtime. The cold jet equipment we found to be very simple to operate, pretty much plug and play. You are able to hook the compressor to the machine, the host of the machine, put your nozzle of choice on, fill it with ice, and start blasting. It's truly that simple. I found the cold jet system most valuable to my business, when I'm talking to my customers, because I can assure that I am going to be able to provide a quality that my competitors absolutely cannot touch. Dry ice blasting, we've really become the leader in our industry, in our market.